Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach. Aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is the beginning of the month, September 1st, Thursday, September 1st. And I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room, we had a beautiful trade in gold. I'm going to run through this from left to right. We had a power play in gold, 13.12.5. We took that up there. We got our first target of 20 ticks, next target of 40 ticks. Now we did have some people get out up here. Told everybody that if you wanted to take 50-55 ticks, you could go ahead and do that. Otherwise, move your stop up. Basically, when the market got up here, we moved our stop up to this line here. Ended up with 40 ticks on our last contract, and that was a beautiful, beautiful trade in gold. Then we tried an RS. Told everybody specifically this thing might not sell off. May come down to our first target, which is right over here, which is on the target on the way up. Okay, same line there, and that was an RS at 13.15.8, 13.15.7. That one went down for 8 to 10 ticks. And I told everybody specifically, if you had 3 contracts, take 2 off at 8 to 10, go to entry. Okay, we just want this thing to keep on going. Okay, we're not playing games with it. Okay, and that was a little winner there, up to 10 ticks. On the crude, similar situation as yesterday. We got into a short before the news. It wasn't ready yet. We got in at 44. You can see here we were able to easily get out. You lose a tick or two. We just had to before the 9 o'clock. We actually had 8:45 news and 9 o'clock news. I wasn't that worried about the 9 o'clock or the 8:45 news, but the 9 o'clock news we definitely had to be out for. So just get out of the trade right around where we got in. Market came back up. Came back down when it finally hit it. We got into the trade again, 44. We had 20 ticks, which is our default first target there. After we get into a risk-free trade, and then we got 50 ticks down here. I told everybody this might be good enough at this circle here. Bounced around here, gave everybody 3, 4, 5 candles to get out. For those who wanted to stay in, we moved our stop tight. They got out over here. But with 1 contract left, I said you had to get out here if you only had 1 left. And that was a beautiful trade, 50 ticks. And then on the ES, we got short on the ES, had a power play. That was at 68.50. That one made up to 3 points. And then when it came up here and came back down again, we for those who weren't still in, we could have gotten in again, except we were in the gold trade, and I told everybody, I don't want to be in 2 trades at once, and I'd rather take the crude. So this was a takeable trade. Some people who don't take the crude may have taken this trade, and this one made up to 10 points or so in the trade, maximum of 10, probably 8 for most. And but again, most people were in the crude here, so we're going to come back and do it all over again tomorrow, okay? And we will see you back then.